All right, day number 2. We seem to have figured out what in the hell was wrong with the golf cart. Basically, every wire that was in here had some type of burn mark to it. Just demolished. Yesterday I worked on it for about 6 hours. Today I just made a whole new freaking wiring harness and didn't even bother with it. I got about 5 hours into it today. This is all the junk that we pulled out of here. Burnt wires, stripped wires, wires with 4 or 5 butt connectors to them. Just no freaking good, man. But now if we try to start it, we had to replace some of the key wires and everything. If I go to start it, she starts up, no problem. So that's it, problem solved. Basically go through and check all your wires. These wires were just demolished.